Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Confluent Cloud for Kafka access step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to your Confluent Cloud dashboard. Log in with your credentials. Once logged in, locate your Kafka cluster. Click on the cluster name to open its details. In the cluster details view, find the API keys section. Click on the Create API Key button. Fill in the required fields for the API key. Make sure to define the appropriate permissions for access. After you have filled out the necessary information, click Save. Your new API key and secret will be generated. Make a note of the API key and secret in a secure location. Next, open your local development environment. Install the Confluent Kafka CLI tools if you haven't done so yet. Use the command line to authenticate with Confluent Cloud. Type in the command for authentication using your API key and secret. Once authenticated, confirm your connection to the Kafka cluster. You can now begin producing and consuming messages in your Kafka environment. Monitor the cluster to ensure everything is functioning properly. If you encounter any issues, refer to the Confluent Cloud documentation for troubleshooting. That's it. You have successfully authorized Confluent Cloud for Kafka access. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.